Hi friends! Today we'll explore how to make a banner with such an animation of dynamic replacement of images in BannerBoo. First, let's set the size of our future banner and press. Let's go. Now, let's add a color to our background. To add text, go to the text menu and select one of the proposed options. Now, navigate to the text menu. Choose the size, thickness, and color, and then center it. To incorporate additional words into our title, just copy the text and make the necessary changes. Now let's add a button to our banner. Go to the menu of Vector Objects, choose Gradients, add a gradient to the canvas, transform it. Change the color and add text. In the previous video, we covered how to work with a gradient. You can find a hint on the screen. Cool! Now, let's add a makeshift logo using the library of vector elements. Now, let's go to the timeline and arrange the objects according to the animation time. Set the logo time to 10 seconds. We will arrange the words of our title like a cascade, having previously retreated 1 point from the previous layer. We will start the animation of the button from 1 second and continue to 10. We will choose Slide Down Animation. Out Animation is also a separate slide down, but let's change some parameters through a custom animation for a smoother fade. For Pulsation Animation, choose Pulse. Now, let's select the entire header on the banner to avoid setting animations for each element separately. In Animation, select Custom. Easing, choose Ease Out Back. We set the left parameter to 300. For the out animation, select Custom. Choose Ease in Back as the easing option. We set the left parameter to 300. Now, let's preview how our animation looks in advance. To add our images to the project, go to the Downloads menu and click Upload Your Own Assets. We select our images and click Open. Click on the first image and transform it. To make the image monochrome, go to the Effects menu. Let's reduce saturation as much as possible. Brightness and contrast are also adjusted depending on the image. Great! Now, let's insert our image into the text composition. To accomplish this, arrange our images in layers beneath the words that will cover them. The word happy should be positioned below our image to ensure proper overlap. Excellent! To enhance readability, where the text overlaps, let's add a bit of thickness to it. Now on the timeline, we will reduce the in and out animations of the image. Let's adjust the animation duration based on the playback of 2-3 more images to achieve a consistent flow. Choose Custom for the image animations. Easing set, Ease in Out. Set Scale XY to 0.9. Origin XY 50. And Rotate Z 10. For the out animation, opt for Custom and choose the same parameters. Now, duplicate our image 3 times. And position them evenly on the timeline. Position the images to ensure that the in and out animations do not overlap. Great! Now put the cursor on the timeline above the animation of the second image and replace our first image with the second by dragging. We also transform and center it. Adjust the existing filters as needed. Repeat the process for the third image. Cool. Now we increase the in animation of the first image and the out animation of the last one. We modify the custom animation settings for the in animation of the first image. Namely, easing, we put ease out back. Remove scale XY, set the left parameters to 300. And let's increase rotate Z by 40. Out of custom animation of the last image, also change. Parameter left, we put 300, easing, ease in back. Remove scale XY and reduce rotate Z by -40. Don't forget to save our banner by pressing Ctrl S. Let's review our result. As you can see, our images changed dramatically, so let's change the in and out animations between the transitions. Therefore, in transitions in these images, in the out animation, we set the easing parameter to ease in, and in animation, we set the easing parameter to ease out. We save our banner again. And let's review the result. The template for this banner, along with resizes, can be found in the link below the video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, have a nice day, and see you in the next videos.